guys, welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always tuning in, and to my new subscribers, hi, you're welcome. And guys, today we're making this very delicious and quick stir fry macaroni. Guys, trust me when I say this is super easy to put together and yet very delicious. Guys, let's get started. So in a boiling water, I'll go in with some salt and vegetable oil. I'm adding vegetable oil just to avoid any form of stickiness, yeah. And now I'll go in with my twist macaroni. Feel free to use any type of macaroni. This is my choice, okay? And afterwards I'll just stir this and cook for 7 minutes. The cooking time for macaroni is 10 minutes, yeah, but I'll be cooking this for 7 minutes, and at this point it's 7 minutes cooked, 7 minutes ready, and I will take out and then I'll drizzle in some oil in my pot, sorry, and then I'll go in with my marinated sausage. I did this off camera, and I will just fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. When it's ready, I will take it out. So guys, if you've watched till this time and you've still not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free. Please just do well to subscribe, like this video, comment and share. Please just do these good stuffs for me, okay? Support your girl as always. Thank you. So my sausage is ready and taken out, and afterwards I'll go in with my prawn, fry for about 2 minutes, take out and set aside. So guys, let me introduce to you one very special way to fasten your cooking. Trust me, you would say thank you in the comment section. Please just say thank you in the comment section. I know a lot of people do this, but me, I just discovered this method and it's really been helpful. This is my frozen carrots, yes, and this is my frozen green beans and green peas. And next is my frozen spring onion. Yeah, I use spring onions to cook too. And next is my sweet peppers, green, yellow and red. This has really been very helpful to me ever since my son started school. I just wake up in the morning, get them out. If I'm using this to cook, yes, I get them out, and then I just start cooking immediately. And guys, I'll be making a video on how I do that, a separate video, so just expect it on my channel or in my channel, any of the above. English no be anybody mates. So guys, next I'll go in with some oil. You already saw me adding vegetable oil, and I'll just go in with my chopped onion, allow it to release its flavor, and then it's my frozen vegetable. And guys, trust me when I say this is very fresh. You just need to pour it in, stir it will defroze, and you get that fresh vegetable you desire. Okay, don't be scared, you will enjoy this method. It will be very easy for you to put together, mostly if you have kids that goes to school every morning and you just want to make something healthy for them. This is just the best way, the easy way to go. Trust me, just make them, freeze them and bring them out when you want to use them. Anytime you want to use them is available for you, and when before it gets finished you make another one available. And what I added next is chopped peppers, yes, chopped scotch bonnet pepper. And now I added my seasoning powder. Next I added my ginger and garlic powder, some salt, some soy sauce, yes, light soy sauce, some basil leaf, and finally I'll go in with my frozen sweet peppers, and I'll just combine this together. And guys, at this point, the aroma coming out from my kitchen, hey. So I'll just go in with my already cooked macaroni. Remember, I cooked this for about 7 minutes instead of 10 minutes. And this is the final cook. Yeah, I'll just combine this together, combine very well, so the flavor from my sauce will infuse in my, what I'm adding now is the macaroni water. Yes, I didn't throw it away, I kept it for later use, and this is when it's very useful. So at this point I'll go in with my prawn. If you're in Nigeria, you will understand what just happened here. Hey, And finally, I'll just combine this together. And guys, finally, our stir fry macaroni is ready to be enjoyed. And guys, here's a special thank you for your time for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Just do the good stuffs, okay? Bye bye.